Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the enchanting world of Neporal Solar Garden Lights, the perfect addition to your Halloween outdoor decor. These stunning solar-powered lights feature lifelike purple phalaenopsis flowers that resemble butterflies fluttering among your garden, casting an eerie yet elegant glow. Crafted from high-quality, fade-resistant PVC material, these lights are designed to withstand the elements with an IP65 waterproof rating and durable aluminum alloy stakes, ensuring they stay secure even in windy weather. With a solar panel that converts energy efficiently, these lights automatically turn on at night, providing 10 to 12 hours of haunting illumination after just 4 to 6 hours of charging. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools. Simply connect the solar panel, insert the stake into the ground, and let the magic unfold. Transform your yard, porch, or patio into a Halloween haven by lining pathways, illuminating your front yard, or adding a ghostly touch to your entryway. With Neporal Solar Garden Lights, you can create a hauntingly beautiful atmosphere that will make your Halloween unforgettable. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.